What is up, everyone? This is Jay from the Crypto Art channel, coming back at you with a little bit of a market update of what's happening. And before I start, I just want to say that nothing in my video is financial advice, so please, everyone, do your own research, okay? I want you to learn the new economy for yourself. Seek the truth in your own terms. All right, so here's what I found when I was doing my research, okay? This is ARK Invest. Um, graph basically in the new economy. So if you look in the left side, you would get the top 5 disruptors, which would be artificial intelligence, robotics, energy storage, DNA sequencing, and of course the blockchain. And if you go to the right side, it's basically the same thing except a little bit more expanded into little different niches. So if you are trying to understand the new economy, which cryptocurrencies to pick, look in these industries, okay? Especially artificial intelligence. All right, so let's get towards the topics. Okay, so former traders rotate from Bitcoin to meme stocks. So as traders have been taking the profits from Bitcoin, what they've been doing is investing more in these meme stocks right here, like AMC, BlackBerry. Well, I'm not sure BlackBerry is a meme stock, but these people on Reddit are putting a lot of hype behind it. Of course, GME. GME had that January thing, and now it's making a comeback, as well as Wendy's. Now, in terms of cryptocurrencies, I have been seeing a lot more dog coins popping out. So, I'm not saying it's financial advice. Do keep an eye on those because they are being used to lure the masses in, or not lure. Yeah, basically they are being lured to go to cryptocurrencies or be more comfortable in using it. Next on the list, we have gold tokens taking off as the inflation accelerates. All right, so what's been happening is that a lot of institutional investors have been taking more notice into gold-backed tokens. Like, let's see, where's the list? Where's the list here? Pax Gold, as well as Tether. Where is it? Where is Tether? It's Tether Gold. I think it was here. Yep, there we go. Pax Gold and Tether Gold. So these two cryptocurrencies right here, they are gold backed, and because it's gold backed, it's been getting a lot of attention from big investors, smart money basically. And you know what? This whole thing with the gold and anything precious metals like silver as well, it has something to do with Basel III, okay, which is starting in June 28th, I believe. So what I gathered from this is that these tokens, since they've been getting a lot of pump in the cryptocurrency for the past couple months or past 2 years, or years, I should say, they're going to need the actual physical representation of what's backing it. So gold, silver, all of those, they're eating it up. So that way, when they do their audits, they have their stacks of gold and silver to prove that Tether wasn't just printing for no reason. It's because they actually had the actual real money in the back to back it up. And remember, guys, the real money is precious metals. In the past, they were using precious metals to do transactions. Of course, when the whole 1913 came with whole Jekyll Island, that's when the Fed was formed along with the IRS. And what they basically did was that they took custody of the precious metals. In return, they would give away a bill that represented the amount of money they had in the bank. But of course, that led to a lot of issues, which basically, that's a whole different rabbit story. But basically, they're trying to like go back to that area. But if you want to understand more in this area, especially with the precious metals, which is very, very important, in my opinion, is that you should do your own research, especially with the whole Jekyll Island. See what happens. See how all these things started. Because once you discover the truth, you will start seeing the world differently. It's a lot of things that like events happening right now. has something to do with money, of course, because money revolves, I mean, makes the world go round. But a lot of these events, along with cryptocurrencies, it's like almost a coincidence. Makes it seem like it was all planned out. Now let's actually get to the actual indicators. Here we have crude oil taking a hit. So that is in terms of the market, of course, that's going to put pressure. And wow, the yield rate's been going down quite a lot. So that to me is a good sign. I mean, like, it just creates a floor for the market to inflate, putting more weaker dollar towards the markets. Now let's look at the US index. So good, see? It's getting weaker, so there's more weaker dollars going into the market. That is a good sign. So overall, I do see it swinging up a bit more. Maybe not starting tomorrow. I think we're going to get a little bit of pullback because of the crude oil price going down. But in the weekend, I do see a pump happening. So remember, that's not financial advice. I want you guys to do your own research, okay? But yeah, these are basically the main indicators that I use. Oh, and also, let's take a look at the repos. That is very important. They've been doing a lot of like repos, like $500 billion on a daily. So let's see. This one is Thursday to Friday. Whew! Oh Jesus Christ! Wow, that's a lot. 534 billion they're using. So basically, they use this 534 billion to buy treasuries, more mortgage-backed securities as well, and of course, a little bit gets trickled into cryptocurrencies. But please do your own research there, because you got to piece the puzzles together your own way, because there's a lot of corruption happening, guys. Now, basically, this whole insane repos they're doing is basically shows that we're heading towards hyperinflation. That's not normal. Anyways, if you did find this video very informative and helpful, please do press share, like, and subscribe as well. So that way you're always notified of news like this, which, in my opinion, is the heavy news, or like the real news, because when it comes to the stock markets, you want to follow the money. And the biggest money is basically the Federal Reserve. These guys control the money supply. Okay, so these puppets that you see on TV, like Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, all these other celebrities, like I said, they're nothing but puppets. Yes, I'm not saying they're not rich. I mean, like, they are rich and they got billions and millions. But when it comes to like the cream of the crop, you want to follow the Fed. They have the most money. And yes, when they do stuff like this, repos and reverse repos, even though a good majority of it goes to treasuries as well as mortgage-backed securities, a little bit does go into cryptocurrencies, guys. And it's not coincidence. You got to see it for yourself. But anyways, that is all I have for this video. Please, if you want to spread the truth, share this video around, so that way other people are informed and they can make the better judgment when it comes to, like, cryptocurrencies. Anyways, yeah, take care.